This is actually what I've been waiting to do. This is the Spiker hood strut kit. Eliminates the hood prop. Drill 2 holes over there, and with rivets. Let's see if we can get a good video. Got the old rivet gun over here, and with their bracket, put the tape over here to make sure my holes align with the bracket, and they actually do. And then this strut goes up, connects to the bracket on both sides. What's up, Mixter? Hey, hurry up. Sure. Can you call me in like 20 minutes? Okay, love you too. Bye-bye. All right, so after the rivets are on, take your rivet gun and rivet these bastards in. A little bit difficult, requires pretty good hand strength. There it goes. There goes one. And then the other side. Oh. Fuck, you know what? I forgot to remove the tape. That's fine. We can remove it now. Ain't that a bitch? There you go. There you go, Miggy, you idiot. Uh-huh. We'll have both rivets there. Where did the other one go? There it is. And then now I can connect the strut. And when I remove this, when I remove the stud, it should stay up. Ta-da! And that, my friend, is the Spiker hood strut kit for the 3rd gen 4runner.